Can they shoot full auto in? Are they allowed to do full auto in? Okay. Get a quick nip. Sleep. Oh, that's fucking smart. Yeah. You need your 40 wanks. Yeah, pretty much. Can't see fuck all, yeah.
Well, we just took shots from two guys there a minute ago.
Oh, I haven't fucking seen it. I've literally been here maybe like 10 seconds.
Oh, fair play.
Yeah.
They are in here though.
Yeah.
Because they were covering the Land Rover.
Ah, okay.
There's our guys down there as well. What's that shotgun like, Sam?
Yeah, it's alright, it's not too bad. I got it from Bunker, so yeah. Coming through? A little bit.
Who's in this fucking room here? Get the windows closed. Right, can you fire from them guys in the cover? See them? Yeah, it's going to shoot us in here.
Joe, I got your back, man. I know.
Red team in the basement. Down to the basement.
I think it'd be perfect just to drop one of those grenades down.
Danny! Where are you? I think so. Yeah, oh yeah, throw one down there. There is someone down there. I'm sure there are. Just have one guy come up. In the basement.
Yeah. Should move back a little bit because they're not getting all of us if they.
I'll open the hatch and I'll drop a grenade down here.
Whoa, grenade up.
That side should be plenty.
Is that down or up?
Try not to stack up too much so we can actually go and back the iron.
Yeah.
What? In the dark.
Right, there's one there at the door. They're at the door. Looks like they're stacked up either side. Nah, they're just at the back door though.
We're losing first building, just so you know.
Doesn't matter, this is the important one.
I know.
That's the, yeah, I got 2 after this, so. Yeah, because you get 3.
One outside.
Yeah, I've had 1 outside. And, yeah.
This guy on the next.
Yeah.
Brilliant, guys.
Mine doesn't do that either, but it's the best fucking pistol I've ever had.
That's the same range as a fucking gas barrette.
Nice. That's not too bad.
Not the same power, obviously, but
No.
range.
Hey, sometimes you don't need power, do you? No.
Keep on them stairs.
I'm just gonna.
Get a few people on it. Shout contact stairs.
Yeah. There is someone down there. I can see a shadow.
I can see shadows, I can hear BP, and someone's reloading right below us. I can fucking see that.
Luke! Luke! Get up! Get up! Luke, get up here! What? That's alright, we know where they're going to come from now. Yeah, quickly then, Fluffy.